Often at times we look around and we see our people calling ourselves by the N word, calling our women by the B and H words, sagging our pants and glorifying pimps. And we're forced to ask ourselves, embarrassingly, is there something inherently wrong with us as a people? The collective ridiculous behaviors that are being exhibited amongst us is not because there's an inherent deficiency within us. It actually comes from surrendering our will to the influence of external forces that are covertly controlling us. This is not scapegoating. When people are stressed, overwhelmed, overworked, or are insecure financially, they become less likely to engage in thoughtful analysis. Instead, they turn to simple narratives that requires little intellectual effort. It's in these very moments that people are most susceptible to manipulation. This is when rational ignorance thinking takes hold. Once this happens, people can be made to believe the most ridiculous things. This is precisely what oppressive forces have done to the African American population, such as witnessed by the fact that although our ancestors hated the N-word, they've misled millions of us to believe that we made the N-word ours and that using it now ridiculously empowers us. Although black people have been reporting crimes to law enforcement officials ever since the abolishment of slavery, they told us that we have a no snitching policy. Many of us believed it was true and then stopped reporting crimes, which then makes conditions within our communities far worse. And although within most cultures men are raised to protect and revere their women, they've socialized millions of us to call our women by the B word and the H word. They also socialized millions of us to believe that it's cool and trendy to dress like sagging clowns and to glorify pimps. They also have millions of us believing that a Bible written by history's proven most ungodliest group of people contains the true words of God. They also have millions of us believing that a Bible that was brutally beaten into the blood-soaked minds of our enslaved ancestors